Thank you, Grant. State lawmakers will now be in charge of spending more than $1 billion of federal pandemic relief money. This comes after a New Mexico Supreme Court ruling giving the authority to lawmakers instead of the governor. News 13's Jamie Seymour is here with details.
Back in April, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham vetoed the legislature's earmarks for those federal dollars in the state's budget bill. But now the power is back in the hands of lawmakers.
For months, state officials have gone back and forth as to who has the ultimate power to spend federal dollars that come into New Mexico. The state's legislative branch tells us that's their job.
We're elected by the people just to allocate how we best can spend tax dollars, monies here in New Mexico.
After the governor vetoed a budget bill that state lawmakers earmarked for the pandemic relief money, a couple of state senators filed a lawsuit saying that she should not have that sole power. Today, the New Mexico Supreme Court agreed.
The court grants standing to the petitioners on the basis of great public importance.
Previously, when the governor directed the rescue plan spending, $600 million went to unemployment, and another $6 went to vaccine incentive vouchers. State Senator Crystal Diamond says while lawmakers may side with some of the governor's decisions, the collective legislature should ultimately decide.
We may be in line on many of the same initiatives that the governor wanted to spend the money on, and we may not. But it was important for New Mexico to make sure that the Constitution was being upheld.
State Senator Harold Pope Jr. says the next steps in deciding where that money goes will come in the new year.
We were already working with the governor on this, but this means that we'll be doing this, and it sounds like we'll be doing this in the 30-day session.
This afternoon, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham reacted to the court's decision.
I was disappointed in the Supreme Court decision, but look, it's not going to let it rain on my parade. It means that we have to do some extra work together.
No matter who has spending rights to the $1 billion left in funds, lawmakers say what matters is getting it to those most in need.
We need to get this money out, but we also need to be careful that we get it out to the people in need, but also we send it and do it the right way.
As for the more than $3 billion set to come in for infrastructure, the state Supreme Court will release its opinion on other federal spending in the coming days. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Jamie. Following today's decision, the governor went on to tell us that she's thankful the state still has many of the American Rescue Plan funds to put toward areas in need where others have already blown through that money.